In this video, I am going to show you how to fix a photo paper jam in this printer. You will see the orange light is flashing. Photo paper is stuck in the front here, and if we try to pull it out, maybe it's not coming out. So how to fix it? Now press and hold this button. And release it, so it will switch off the printer. Don't try to push it out, it won't come out so easily, it may break something inside. Now restart it and it will come out. Now it may be possible that another film comes out as well. Just push it out. Now we are ready to use it again. This way we can fix this photo paper jam. Thanks for watching.